Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and add an overlay into your Capcut. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, we have our project Capcut right here. Just go ahead and open it up, and inside you will then be able to add your own clip. I just added this main clip right here, and we basically have this text. Now this is an overlay right here, and if you want to go ahead and add an overlay into your Capcut, just go ahead and open up your folders, and inside you will then have the ability to drag it inside our Capcut right here. And after dragging it inside our Capcut right here, you will then be able to see the clip has been added into our timeline. Now we have a third overlay. We also have our stickers right here, which is this one. You can also go ahead and basically drag this inside our template right here. And we also have our text. And we have our effects. Also, just go ahead and click on the plus icon, and we could go ahead and add this into our overlay. And in that way, you will be able to add overlay into your Capcut here on your PC. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and always thank you.